Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel today. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum TV app keeps crashing or freezing, reinstall cache and firmware. Power cycle your internet connection. Unplug your modem and Wi-Fi router from the power outlet for 60 seconds. Now plug them back in and wait for the lights to stabilize before relaunching the app to clear network timeouts. Clear the app cache. Access your device's settings menu such as Android TV, Roku, or Fire Stick. Locate the apps section, select Spectrum TV, and choose Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that lead to freezes. Check for device software update. Go to your smart TV or streaming box system settings and manually check for firmware updates to fix background software dependencies. Reinstall the Spectrum TV app. Uninstall the app completely, reboot your streaming device, and then download a fresh copy from the official App Store. Common Spectrum TV error codes. Error code RG10001 or DVS10001. Network connectivity or timeout issues. Restarting a router usually resolves this. Error code WLI9000 exceeded maximum video stream allocations. Close the app on secondary tablets, phones, or computers to free up a stream slot. Error code HL11000 or LCM1000. Missing firmware dependencies. You must trigger a software update check on your hardware settings. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.